Welcome to Stone Hands, to the hands of stone. The exercise to find your own voice, your own sound, the natural sound that you have, from where it all begins. It's simple exercise. It's easily doable, but it needs a constant attention that you shall not forget where your natural voice comes from. Because in many situations, we tend to forget to breathe in. We forget to relax. And we forget to take a break, make a pause. So we could align our voice. We could center our thoughts and formulate a new postulate, of course. So there are 3 centers for the voice. One is the sensual voice that comes from the belly, but it can be really strong as well, or a whisper. Then the next one is the chest voice, which is the middle ground. And the third one is the mask. It's the mask where we project our vision. So master singers use all of those voices. Like Robert Plant from Led Zeppelin. He knows how to get the voice out from his balls, not even from his belly, and project it to his mask. But when we are speaking and we need to grab attention of the listener, we don't want to sound eerie from the crowd. Hey, can you hear me? I'm here speaking. How are you? Oh, I have a purpose. Okay, shut it. Shut up. Because there is no support. And support comes from the center. Support comes from the belly. Before speaking, we breathe in. And when we breathe in, we take a full breath into the belly, into the diaphragm, and into the chest. And the simple step to center the voice, when we have taken the breath, when we have made a pause to breathe in, is hum, ho. This is the center to find your ho, and from there you're able to execute your normal speaking range, because there are different ranges where the voice can go: the speaking range, the singing range, and also the falsetto range. For example, I will show you my speaking range, which is So when I'm speaking, I need to center myself. I take a breath in, and you know, it's a beautiful day. I make a sound, and I have an announcement, you see. But it's finding the voice and exercising its ho, just toning your voice, your speaking voice, ho. But the singing voice, as I promised to show, is different. It comes from the mask, but it needs a support. Suaknad malik singohe, you said overvima. You see, it's much higher than my speaking range. But when I sing, I can go low as well, but it's not most comfortable range for me to sing, the place from where I speak. And the falsetto is of course when you are grinding your high notes. So remember to constantly tap your chest to find the chest voice, to tone, to do and when you are toning with your mouth closed, then you can imagine that there's an egg in your mouth, and you can try to speak. And it's easy to find your chest voice, your normal speaking voice. And that is your real true voice, as many people are not aware of it and they do not use their support and they're speaking in a strange way. Hey, I got this thing idea, I'm just a great guy. Okay, you can speak in a high manner of tonality, but for that you need support and you need flexibility for your voice. Just don't be airy. I need to be someone. I have a dream. Okay, shut the fuck up. You don't have a fucking dream if you don't have a support in your body. That's the truth. To learn to speak, you got to find your support and find your chest voice, and later your singing voice, to utilize those aspects in your speaking. So I wish you all the best. Check out the video for the exercises, 8 great exercises for your voice.